Putotyrannosaurus! Hi, Firestarter here, and welcome to my review of the SH Figuarts. I forgot what I'm about to review. SH Figuarts Kamen Rider OOO's Putotyra combo from Kamen Rider OOO's second to the last release before we get Burakawani. So we have here the same box art as the first, and the rings are in different shades of purple and sort of pink. And at the back it says Kamen Rider OOO, SH Figuarts, some of the poses, choking hazard, and Japanese blurb, Kamen Rider OOO, Kamen Rider OOO, and Kamen Rider OOO. The letters are still on same hot foil, and it's shiny. It's shiny. So let's open him, and I'll show you what he looks like underneath the box. So we have here Putotyra combo with a box outside the box, but it's still on its plastic case. See, this is what it looks like once you've taken that out of the Bandai box. So I'll show you more detail after this until I come back. Accessories, he came with two open hands, so many holding hands, and this is actually the holding hand for the O scanner, but now it's kind of closer to each other, so we can hold the O scanner pretty much well, and I believe it won't be loose when you try to flick everything out, and it will definitely hold the O scanner. Then we have two kinds of Medagaburyu. We have the one in sort of a shotgun mode. This is a clear plastic, translucent purple plastic, and also the container is also a translucent purple plastic. Even this button over here is also translucent. And although that's the only thing you got when you have this. This is the axe mode, just to make sure. And you can see the eyes painted in gold, even the teeth. We have the handle over here. This is actually where Putotyra holds the axe. It doesn't move, it's already locked, and I wish they could place those medals in. It's a good combination altogether if they could, but I'm not complaining anymore. So nice detail on it, and this is the Hisatsu mode, or the shooting mode. So the mouth is closed, the whole thing goes through the head, so it's nice, and it's also in translucent plastic. There's no big difference in terms of the detail. It's just the same. It's just that this is in shotgun mode, so whatever. So cool. So let's move on to Putotyrannosaurus. So this is the figure. It's a mixture of matte purple and shiny glossy finish. Where's the glossy part? The glossy parts will be the symbol, the head, the arm, the guards on the arms, and the shins and the legs. And that's what I can see right now. These are the only things that are shiny, and the rest are just plain matte purple. And we have here, giving you a closer look on the medal. He has Putotyra, Torikera, and Tirano. We have the compound eyes as usual, green, and the beak on top is translucent, also yellow. We have here some of the accents on the shoulder pads, goes up and down, and these guards on the legs also do flip up and down. And it has the same articulation points as any other SH Figuarts, but this time instead of having the ball joint, we have here a hinge over hinge over hinge architecture or engineering. Same movable leg. Somewhat hard because it is the first time it was out of the box, and this is the first time I open it, so it bends all the way at the back, and everything is really tight. Even the joints and swivels on every single part of the figure is really tight. Even the swivels on the arms. I forgot to mention, you also have the O scanner now. Really perfected everything for the additional figure, so cool. And swivel over here, there's no hindrance in terms of articulation point, because even though he has a really nice collar over here, so cool. And at the back we have here the sort of should be wings, and these are flexible and foldable, but it doesn't have additional hinge, so you can so that you can lift these up and make some really neat poses. It's already latched in and it can't move that, but you can bend it, but you cannot like have a hinge and make it go up. I saw one of the posts in a Japan auction club that they made some modifications and actually made a really neat set of FX parts for Putotyra. It's kind of limited, and it's kind of neat because for now we don't have an FX part set for Putotyra, but in case there is, I think I should be getting it, because this one epic figure altogether. And because see how tight these are, you can even feel some of the parts rubbing into each other, so that's really cool. As the second to the last figure on the O's line, except if they release another, or there's another movie coming with another set of medals for Kamen Rider O's. This is one of the greatest looking figures in Kamen Rider O's toy line. I haven't seen in action Burakawani, but this is a must have for every O's fan. It's quite nice and it's fun to play with, and the the joints are really tight. And I'll just give you a closer look on the belt with the Putotyra medals inside. They're still classic, and as you can see, the articulation points are so good it can even stand up on its own. That's why I really love the hinge over hinge foot design, because it really helps him stand in different ways and put him in really awkward poses, so you'll have a lot of sort of posabilities for this figure. So I'll also do a photo with all the combos so far until Putotyra, my own version. So do enjoy the photos at the end of the video. Alright, this is a really recommended figure, and this combo has been seen a lot on the show. So why are you skipping this figure? So I don't see any reason why you should skip this. It's a really nice added figure to your O's collection. So that's it. Thank you for watching my review of the Putotyra combo. This is Firestarter. Thank you so much, and until the next review.
ページに言っておこう